Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your PayPal account number. If you go to your PayPal app and try to find your account number, you won't be able to find it anywhere on the app. So the only thing you can do to find your account number is to basically click on the help center and then click on contact customer service. Scroll down to find message us and click on that, and then it's gonna take you to the PayPal assistant. On here, the PayPal assistant is gonna ask you for more information, so you only need to type in my account number and then send it. Once you send it, the PayPal assistant is gonna reply to you with relevant things. So basically, it just said to you, do you need help with account inquiry? And then you confirm with yes. And then it's going to give you some links that you might use. But in this case, these links are not helpful. So you will only need to type in need more help as they advised. So just type in need more help and send it. And then a PayPal assistant is gonna reply to you asking you if you want this to be sent to a customer support agent. So you click on yes and then wait for them to get back to you confirming your account number. Might take a few hours.